Hi friends, if you want to find out how you can share your audio in Google Meet screen sharing, here's how you can do it. First of all, just launch your browser. Now, in the address bar, enter the meeting link. Now click on join now. So once you're in the meeting, we need to click on this screen share that says present now. Now we have a audio file in this window, alright? Share, and we can navigate to this and start playing an audio to test. And this is working already. It's because we have set this audio settings in this microphone. We need to set it to stereo mix. If in your case it is set to microphone, the sound won't be shared. And once you switch it to stereo mix, your audio that is being played in this screen share will be played in the participants meet too. Now if you want to share a tab instead, like let's open a tab, YouTube tab. If you want to share something in the Chrome, you need to select this Chrome tab and select the tab that you want to share and turn this to on. Also share tab audio to on to share the audio of the video that is being played in your computer, and click on share. Once you start playing this video, the audio will be sent or shared. There you have it. Now that's how you share audio in Google Meet, guys. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're still having confusions or problems sharing audio in Google Meet, do leave them in the comment section. We're always here to help. Until next time, bye-bye.